In the question, they have given that there are two users. Okay, user 1 and user 2. User 1 is having 4 processes A, B, C, D, and user 2 is having only one process, that is E. So according to the proportion, they have given that user 1 is having double time in CPU as user 2 is having. That means in the question, if they have given time quantum Q is equal to 1 nanosecond, then user 2 will run for 1 nanoseconds and user 1's processes will run for 2 nanoseconds, just because they have given it. Okay, now they have asked that in the round robin scheduling, then what will be the completion time of process D? So for that particular thing, we will have to construct the Gantt chart. So we'll start with the process 1, okay, user 1 and process A. So process A will run for 1 time quantum. After that, another process from the user 1 only will run, just because user 1 is having 2 time quantums. After that, process E will run, just because user 2 will get its CPU and its one only process will execute. After that, again C will run, just because C and D were in sequence for the process user number 1. Okay, so C and D will run. So now remaining time of ABCD is here. If I'll update it, it will be 1. Okay, it will be 2. It will be 1. It will be 3, and this particular fellow will be up to 4. Now again E will get its turn, and the remaining time will be 3 up to 6. Now again ABCD will start. So first A and B will execute up to 7 and 8. A will be completed, B will be having remaining time quantum 1. Okay, this is A here. Okay, after that again E will be executing up to 2. It will remain 2. Here is E, up to 9 it will execute. After that again C and D will get their turn. So C and D will get their turn. C will remain nothing, D will remain up to 2. So up to 11 D will execute. After that D, again E will be executing up to 12, just because user 2nd will get its turn. After executing E, it will be remaining 1 only. Then after that process B and D only remaining processes with user 1. So process B will execute up to 13, and after that process D will execute up to 14. Process B will be completed. Process D will be having 1 time quantum remaining. Okay, I am continuing in the next line. After executing D up to 14, again user 2 will have CPU and it will run from 14 to 15. Okay, this is 14 to 15 it will run. E will be completed. After that D will get its CPU and D will be completed. So D will be completed at quantum or time unit 16. So the answer for the question is 16.